Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair and I absolutely hate doing my own hair. I think you probably know that by now. So I'm always on the lookout for really fast styles. So we have a claw clip, a bobble and a few grips and it's like 2 minutes, let's go. So I'm just looking in the mirror over here. I have to have some bits out. I don't like my hair all scraped back, and then I'm just going to put it into a high ponytail. So I'm not going to spend too long doing this, guys. I'm just dragging it up there. Okay. First bit's done. Next I'm going to take a claw clip. So I tried this earlier with a bigger claw clip, but my hair isn't long enough. So if you've got very long thick hair, you could use a bigger claw clip. Short, finer hair, use a smaller one. So you're just going to take this claw clip and literally pop it here. So this way round. Next I'm going to take this ponytail, brush this side with my fingers, and just allow that to fall over the claw clip. Then I'm going to take a hair tie or a bobble and I'm just going to come from the back here, holding in like that, and this bobble is going to come all the way around the back, round the sides and round the front like so. And then I'm gently going to pick up these ends here. So with the bigger claw clip earlier, my ends weren't long enough, so that's why I've chosen a smaller one. And then I'm going to split these in two and cross them over. So cross them over, do a little twist, bring them round the back and pin. So just pinning these down into place. So just straightening out any sort of flyaways. You can curl these front bits if you want, but how cute is that? Literally, I've tried it 3 times today. This is not just for camera, and it's worked every time. Loads of volume, feels really sturdy. I've used 4 grips. Yeah, little bun hair hack, no back comb, no heat. There we go.